아침 계획해 벌써 야wis을까 첫 만남보다 설렌데도 믿을까 하루하루가 혹시 널 잃을까 난 두려워 에이 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 이 노래들은만 다 깨내주심이 불러도 그리운 내 이름이 세상 사람들 모두가 우릴 보면서 부러워 에이 에이 에이
나 힘들고 지칠 때 가끔씩 넘어질 때 Girl you always pick me up 지금처럼 내 옆에 매일같이 내 곁에 이대로만 있어줘 때론 다투기도 해 처음과 다르기에 너는 내 안에 있어 You know that I love you my baby
Yes I have a girlfriend and I'm never lonely 그녀를 바라보는 것만으로도 좋아 Yes you are my girlfriend You're my one and only 너라는 꿈속에서 난 깨고 싶지 않아 Yeah my girlfriend She ain't no side chick mistress girlfriend My girlfriend Cause ain't nothing in the world compared to my girlfriend
So I didn't vlog in the mall obviously, but we got some food. The mall was kind of dead. Well, we came at a late time, but still, it's like the equivalent of Deerfoot and Northland Mall in Calgary. It's kind of it was small, kind of dead. I thought it would be bigger because it looked big. We went to Target and we got a few stuff since in Canada, or at least in Calgary, they took out all locations of Target. We're gonna eat soon. We got Chinese food. Tired. It's what time is it? It's 9:13. Oh, 10:13. I still have Calgary time. And I need to charge my phone. But yeah, that was the vlog footage for today. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. So, oh, my brother wants to show his Beyblade.
Got a new blade. Dark depth sight there.
What season is this?
Beyblade Burst. It hasn't been released in Calgary yet or Canada, so I found two of them.
So we're just packing up now. So it really stinks in this hotel room. This hotel is really ghetto. No offense, but like it stinks. It's dirty. Like literally the bed sheets, they smell like sweat, armpits, and they've been changed like more than once. On the sink there's like this mold. Not that I'm complaining, but like it's gross. While we were here on the first day, the second day in the morning, because I didn't shower yet, but I was gonna go in the shower, and before I went in my brother pointed out a lizard that was on the inside the light bulb, and then we didn't know, he thought it was just a toy until he saw it move, and I started screaming and it took a while for the maintenance guy to take it out, or like for him to come in. His name is Mr. Kwan. Oh, but he was Chinese. He sounded like Jackie Chan. Not being racist, but like the tone of his voice sounded like Jackie Chan. We're watching Star Wars right now. But it's commercial. I can't connect to the Wi-Fi here. It's it's messed up. I don't know why it won't let me connect to the Wi-Fi, but I tried so many times and it won't let me. It won't let Jenny either.
Well, except for my 4S and 4S.
Except for your 4S.
Oh, Star Wars is back. I shall show you. There. This is the last Star Wars movie before.
Episode 7.
Yeah. This is episode 6.
Phantom Menace.
Here's stop motion Yoda. And here's the animatronic. There's my mom. She's fat. Yeah, so I shall talk to you. Wait. Let me show you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. So, we are in Jackson now. In the... What hotel is this? Stay America Hotel. It's better than the one we were at. It's the bathroom. Nothing special, but like it's cleaner. That's what I mean. I'll show you the room. This is Janny. We went to FYE, it's just nearby. He finally got to go to the place he wanted, and there's a kitchen. We're watching Family Guy. We're only here for one night. And tomorrow we're gonna go back. I'm not tired, but like, I'm so excited. I wanted to buy some more stuff, but it's okay. Next time we go to the States, because New Orleans didn't have much. Like the New Orleans one. New Orleans wasn't boring at all.
And then can you make sure your bag moves underneath the seat? Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you stow all your carry-on items completely underneath the seat in front of you for takeoff, for taxi takeoff and landing. Okay, thank you.
Jenny likes that. So yeah, I'm trying to make this an eventful vlog. I'll do it part by part this time and not just a full vlog. Because it's boring when you're watching an hour-long vlog and you just realize that and it's tiring and you'll like have to skip through the whole thing. So yeah, so we woke up at around 2. So tired. Okay, so we're in Denver Airport. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible because I'm really awkward right now. We're just sitting around. We're just waiting for our flight. The flight was really quick. It seemed like
2 hours.
no, it seemed like 15 hours. But it was really quick. It was only like 2 hours. I don't know what time it is in Denver. It's probably the same, but it's 10 back in Canada. The airport's really nice. No, it's
not bad.
It's like a regular kind of airport. But yeah. Yeah, I'm really excited. Janny is right behind the camera. He doesn't want to show himself. Oh, eating McDonald's. The buckler got me some. The lighting is so bad. Okay, yeah. I don't know what else to say, so just see you later. Bye bye. So it is, what time is it? It's 4:11 in Calgary, so I don't know what time it is here in Hawaii because my phone won't I don't know. It doesn't adjust to the time. I don't know. So today is our second day, obviously. If you're wondering where I am right now, I'm in the dormitory. That's where we're staying. We chose a dorm because it's cheaper. I'll show you around. Jenny's sleeping right there. It's where me and my mom are sleeping up here. And two girls are sleeping here. I don't know them, by the way. Here I am. Oh yeah, it's 4th of July today. And we're in America, so we're celebrating it. And this is what I'm wearing. It's outside. Some other people's towels. Whoops. Those aren't mine, by the way. There's some guys that are sleeping here. There's my mom. There's the fridge. There's a little place to cook. Here's the washroom. Yeah. It's alright. It's not fancy like you see in those movies. Because, well, we didn't get a hotel, so yeah. So, today is our second last day. You know why? We're at the airport waiting for us to get into the place, like for us to check in. Sad because I didn't get to go swimming. My throat hurts. After I drank from my mom's water bottle, my throat started hurting. I don't know why. See you tomorrow. Oh, our flight's gonna be tomorrow.
Guys, so we are at Los Angeles Airport, or LAX, and we're going back to Calgary now, and it's currently 7:37, and we haven't been to the Los Angeles Airport in like a decade, because last time we've been here was in 2008, and yeah, that was the last time we've been here. We didn't go here in 2013 because we drove here. And so, yeah, we haven't been here since 2008. We're in Edmonton right now. And we're staying at a... Well, obviously we're staying at a hotel, but we're staying
Yeah, in the Hilton, Home 2 Suites Hilton. Time is buckle time.
Ah, shit.
No, summertime.
6:07.
6:07. Really? So we're staying in Edmonton for only two nights? For just 2 nights. I'm gonna show you around. I'll show around the hotel. The suite. Yeah, the room. This is our suite. We got a fridge here. I hate how this is so completely zoomed up. Wait, yeah. Opens from this side. Ooh, aesthetic. Ooh, aesthetic. There's
I got forks
some
and
dirty
spoons.
forks and spoons. Like, I don't think I'll be using that.
No. They
got
got bowls.
plates.
They got
some
colander.
things. I don't.
Microwave it.
There's no stove, but there is this big microwave.
Which is
This is the time.
dishwasher.
There's a dishwasher. I have no idea how to use one because we don't have one at home, and I've never had the chance to use one. The bathroom. This is so cool. It's cool for me because we've never really been in a hotel like this,
And
like a
also
room
you
like
can
this. I
get,
mean,
like,
this is the shampoo and the conditioner.
shower gel.
Shower gel.
Neutrogena. I don't know if you could just. I think you just have to pump it.
Yeah. So this is the shower and the mirror. I hate how this is so zoomed up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
The hair dries in here if you're gonna look for it.
So it's like in Japan.
Yeah. Look in there.
Some
There.
towels. Those are our stuff. And now the rest of the room. Here's my mom and dad. So this actually, there's one bed and one sofa bed, so you can pull that out.
And we used to have something like this, but yeah.
Yeah. And this is the lights, obviously.
But their downtown sucks.
Yeah. So this is artwork of Edmonton's downtown. Jay, close this curtain. And then
For a little special time.
stop. That won't even work. Are you okay?
Surprise!
And this is our bit.
You have the susi
This
or
is what our TV looks like.
Where are you going?
just gonna buy something?
And then there's a shelf to put more stuff in, whatever you want to put, and then a desk or just a table, just a place to eat maybe.
And
Some wine cups and
ice here and another curtain.
coat racks. This is our view. There's no view. Oh, I like this clock.
I think we used to have something like this.
Oh, you could put your phone here to
But it
charge.
doesn't charge.
It doesn't? It doesn't work? Okay. Where are you guys going?
I'm just gonna buy beer.
Beer? Why?
Because he wants, relax siya. Ngayon, dito lang naman sa bahay.
Okay. This is another
That's
desk
for the dining.
or a desk.
Dito tayo magkaan mamaya ng pagkakas.
Is this a calendar or a?
I think this is just oh
It's just like a.
information.
Yeah. Right now we're watching Heads Up with Ashley. Ashley Tisdale's there, and
It's a
3 other
stupid
girls who I
show.
don't know.
It's a stupid show.
Oh, it comes out.
It's like
So there's like 1, 2, 3 tables, pretty much, not counting the side tables. Side table drawer.
so. I don't know if you can see us, but we're heading to Japan. And we are having and we're gonna meet up with our mom. We're gonna meet up with our mom when we get there. And it is 3:30ish. I don't know if you can see this.
So Jenny's having salmon. I don't know if Jenny's having salmon.
What is this? Filkfish. You want some more filkfish?
Filk fish. Lots and bagels. That's my favorite.
Why is it so simple?
Yeah.
I'm having grilled, what'd you say? Grilled pork. Or no, chicken. Mine is chicken. Jenny's is pork and salmon. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, we were in Japan! Tokyo, Japan, and we're staying at the, what is this called again, Ate?
The Voga Corte Chidori-Cho apartment.
Yeah. And it is 8:51 in the morning, and it's like 4 in Calgary, 4:51 in Calgary. It was a long ass flight.
So, we didn't film the day we came because we were exhausted.
Really?
And, oh, my hair finally looks blue on camera. Okay. It took a while to get from here to, from the airport to here because Narita Airport is far from the place where we stayed, or where we're staying. It's like an hour or so. But it's okay. At least we got like a taste of how to use the Japanese train. Yeah, I guess the sunlight because I was trying to take a picture, but it wouldn't work out. So yeah. I'll show around the room. So this is the bed. It's a pretty cozy room. There's the closet. And we have breakfast here, but we put the stuff there for now. When we got here, my mom put the altar. Japanese TV. They only have like 4 channels on this TV. Earlier this morning, I was watching like 80s anime, but I don't know what kind of anime it was. We're gonna be going on a tour today, a free tour, that's what my mom said. I was like dying of exhaustion yesterday, but not as bad as how it was back in 2015. Because in 2015, since it was my first time in a long time,
It was trash.
For the plane, for like going to Asia, it was exhausting for me back then. So yeah, that's why I kind of, well, I didn't get sick, but like I was
And the Japan
delirious.
trip 4 years ago was trash.
It wasn't really a trip.
Trash.
It was
trash.
It was a, what's that called? It was a stopover only, so I didn't really
still
expect
trash.
too much of it, but I did want to go out that time, so yeah. We're gonna be here for like 3 days or so. My blue hair kind of faded back into purple again. Maybe because the purple was still kind of dark when I or still kind of vibrant when I dyed over it, so maybe that's why. Because I took a shower today as well, so, and I washed my hair. I want to show you outside first. Doesn't really show much. I think the balcony is locked. Let me just see. Yeah, is it locked? Oh no, it's not. Is it? Hang on. Yeah, you can go outside, but yeah, I think there's someone down there. So I'll just film like this. It's a bit cold out, so my brother's gonna do a last minute tour since we kind of forgot about it.
Okay, so we got the beds.
What beds?
And this little poster. And then, I don't know what this is. I think this is for the AC. And here's a TV. It's pretty small. Like you would think this is a computer monitor, but it's not.
Yeah, so tiny.
Yeah.
It's like the
Our
size of
mini
my
altar.
laptop monitor.
And just to look outside. There's also a balcony. We can also get out, which I think you
I already
can.
showed them. Yeah, I showed them that.
Oh, okay. And yeah, this is where we keep our stuff. And then here is the washing machine. We haven't used it. We'll probably won't use it before we leave. This is our mini kitchen. Here's the microwave and the fridge.
It is?
And then, what is this? Rice cooker? Yeah. And it's 8:14, I think, right now. And the kettle. And then this is where we put the garbage and plastic. And here, this is where we keep our shoes. And there's the door. And I'll show you what the bathroom looks like. It's just a typical Japanese bathroom design. And this is where we keep our stuff. Here's the toilet. And yeah, it does have the button where it sprays up. And every time you flush the toilet, it does this. Yeah, which is pretty weird because you would think this is like a sink or something, but no, this is the sink. And then here's the bathroom. You can either sit down or you can stand up. There's another mirror and then some other stuff we have here. Here's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash we could use, but I brought my own shampoo because I always like to bring my own shampoos when we go out. And there's another door behind me. Just close it. Yeah. And it's the lock thing here is like a magnet.
You already showed the the hot water switch.
Oh no, I didn't.
Outside, behind
This
the
one?
door.
Which one?
Right for the bathroom. So,
Look.
Okay, yeah, I know that one. Which one is the hot water, Mom?
so this is the hot water with the hot water panel. You want the hot water, you need to turn it off first and then turn it back on. And that is the temperature for the hot water.
Oh,
Okay, you can put it down
Or up.
or up.
Put it like to 42 again.
Okay,
Yeah.
there you go.
So, yeah, it's just like in Karate Kid, but we don't have the switch, or they don't have the switch like
You
in
don't have to
that
turn it
movie.
off.
Yeah. After 11, or before 11, as
We're
what
gonna
my
check
mom
out.
said. Yeah, we're gonna check out, and we're gonna go back to Akihabara because I wanted to go there again. But like I said yesterday, if we had time, but we didn't obviously, because we were finding our way back here. Yes. And we kind of went to Shibuya and Harajuku kind of late.
Because we didn't really have time to look around Shibuya, so.
Yeah, and also because we went to Haneda Airport.
Yeah, I think that's what wasted our time the most, looking for Haneda.
Yeah.
to take a tour of the room. We'll just take a video of the outside of the motel. A lot of movies have been filmed in that motel, apparently. Movies, crime, TV shows, and others. If you watch Teen Wolf, one of the episodes were filmed on that, in that hotel, or motel, whatever.
And apparently some stars like stayed there or filmed there. Or
Yeah,
whatever.
filmed there, like
Ice Cube, Jennifer Aniston, or Aniston.
yeah, and others. I don't really know the others. Like there was a wall of pictures of people who filmed there, like famous people or whatever. We're in Edmonton now, so we're in the hotel room. We went to West Edmonton Mall earlier just to get food. TNT as usual. This is the food we got. Pretty basic. Yeah, pretty basic. Just like this one.
I got Edo.
Edo. I don't know why people are pronouncing it Edo. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat first and then I'll show them around the room later. It freaking stopped recording when I turned it around. This is what's doing. Oh, I'm using the snow filter, by the way, because my face looks dead. And the snow filter makes your face look a little alive, at least.
So we're finally in Edmonton now, and of course we're in our hotel room, and we're eating our dinner / lunch. And what are you having right now?
Noodles, siomai, pork, chicken. Yeah.
Just a bunch of stuff. And so having Edo. And this is our food right here. But we did go to Wem earlier, but not to shop, of course, because it was going to close in a couple of minutes. So,
Couple hours.
So we just got food instead. Of course, at TNT, and then I went to the food court, the one near the pirate ship. And here's the view, the outside.
I like the view.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
We're currently watching TLC, 90 Day Fiancé.
It's my favorite show.
This family right here, or this couple, sucks.
They're cute. No, they're cute. It's just her family sucks.
Yeah.
I don't care.
And I guess I'll show you a little tour around the hotel, or the room. So we got our mini kitchen, got the fridge, and of course the microwave and dishwasher, I do believe. Pretty similar to the Home 2 Suites one. And of course, our bathroom, which looks awesome. And the mirror. Yeah. Pretty nice. And 2 queen size beds. And the couch that has a bed inside there. And yeah, this garbage ass family here. And here we got some paintings, and one of them happens to be a bocce. Okay, so today's our last day here in Edmonton. So today we're going to Glen. My sister is just having, whoops.
That's my crotch.
And my sister is just having her breakfast. Burrito. He also has, what is this, green tea? Yeah. So since we didn't really show what the room looks like, it's not really that great if you were to compare it to the other 2 that was shown in the last 2 Edmonton vlogs.
Just a standard room.
Yeah. Here are the beds. Pretty standard. And then here's the table where we put all of our stuff. Here's the microwave, and fun fact, we actually have 2 microwaves because the other one couldn't heat our food, so we had to ask the front desk to get a new microwave.
He didn't run.
Here's the TV.
Why? He screwed up.
The Cuba guy?
Yeah.
Damn, man.
But he's good. He's second place.
The
Oh,
one
the
guy.
Japanese guy's 6th place. What a shame.
Hashioka Yuki. Here's the bathroom. It's not really that great because we got a freaking bathtub instead of like the walk-in shower.
Beautiful.
Pretty generic. But I guess the only good thing about this room is, well, the mirror. If you press this button right here, if I can, there you go. Yeah. I think we had this in the hotel from 2018. I don't remember, or one of the hotels we were in that wasn't in the vlogs. I don't remember. Faucet and sink are nice as well. Yeah, this is our first stopover. Fortunately, it's flipping way over.
I got BLT.
It's important. When you eat at my restaurant, you never order BLT. You must trust me. Stay away from BLT.
Quit scaring a kid for a minute.
Who am I scaring?
I'm so tired.
I slept the entire time on the plane. I'm having Tim Hortons.
I had A&W.
And Starbucks. I'm drinking matcha latte.
So, in case we haven't, mentioned, we're actually going to Baltimore, or in this case, we're going back to America after 3 years of not going. So, unfortunately, we could only go to Edmonton and Capri.
Which I'm never going to ever again.
Right now it is 8:18 Toronto time. Calgary time is 6:18.
Dad's at home with the birds.
I thought he went to work.
No. Back in Calgary.
Yeah, I thought he went to work.
He is. He said back home.
This is the following call for 8494 services to St. John. All passengers please proceed to the gate D5. 8494 services to St. John. All passengers please proceed to the gate D5.
We briefly did it in 2019. I don't really know what we're gonna have for lunch, but I think I'm gonna have
This is
either
my brunch.
Tim Hortons or A&W.
Passenger Dawson Janice Folk, please return to the Air Canada Customer Services for a lost article. Passenger Janice Dawson Folk, please return to the Air Canada Customer Service desk for a lost article.
Like I just went into our shot. Here's the time, 8:20. We're gonna be here in this airport till 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
4.
I'm gonna ask Mom. 2. I was right.
2.
Well, close.
Right.
I mean, close.
Wasn't
That's what I
even
mean.
close. My dark circles are because the entire day we were out yesterday because we had to take our antigen test.
Yeah. Which I thought.
It has to be a day before that we take it.
Which I thought it was gonna be like it'll feel
Longer.
like longer. I was gonna say something.
Did you hear that? Yes. You didn't recognize?
I thought it was Japanese. That's what I said. Mayo.
Oh my gosh.
I'll hear it.
She was going the wrong way. So he's calling me.
They're gonna. Oh, they're freaking eating at Starbucks.
You don't want something at Starbucks? Like a strawberry acai?
Is it even time for that? Do they even sell that right now?
It's like 8:22. So
maybe
it's
at
too
like
early.
10. Maybe 10ish.
12.
Or 11?
10.
Might as well
9.
show around the airport for a sec.
Or like,
There's Starbucks. Here's my mom. Mommy, say hi.
Hello, I'm sleepy.
Are you excited to see your siblings after 4 years?
4 years? No, 4 years.
To the baby, I mean.
Baby, nakita ko na si It's been a while. 2017, 6, 5 years. Oh no, 2016.
16?
Yeah. Kasi di ba kinasal si Shedia?
This is random, but prior to this trip, I keep having dreams of me forgetting my freaking American money and wallet.
do you see how important that is to him for no reason?
Because I'm just like, no, I thought I packed it. But I did. It's fucking heavy.
A few moments later.
Pearson Toronto Airport. And this is the chair, but I will not sit on it.
Okay. Toronto,
You're sitting on
Pearson.
No, I'm sitting on a table, not on the chair.
Yeah.
Okay, and thanks be to God. No hassle, no bustle, no more. No questions asked.
No buckle. Smoothly.
My Axe, they took up my Axe body spray.
Yeah.
Because
The body spray of Yanni is thrown out because
Jenny's stupid.
they smell his skin. They smell his skin, it's no good.
Man, there's a fat penguin there. Let's get going.
CIBC oven.
Bienvenue à Baltimore. Nous vous prévenons de rester assis avec votre ceinture bouclée et vos bagages rangés jusqu'à la consigne de ceinture soit éteinte. Il est interdit de fumer. L'utilisation de fonctions de réception de transmission d'appareils mobiles est maintenant permise. Avant de quitter l'avion, voulez-vous assurer d'avoir en votre possession tout votre appareil électrique. Si votre train a une bonne correspondance, veuillez consulter l'écran ou adresser un numéro collectant au corps. Merci. Nous espérons que vous avez un agréable vol et nous vous reverrons bientôt.
Okay, so we're actually in Edmonton, and no, we're not in Edmonton. Fuck no, we're finally in America again after 3 years. We're actually in a hotel. We just came back from AJ and Jake's grandpa's house.
Yeah. Rented house.
Airbnb. As always, might as well show you our room, and it is really nice. We're in what hotel? I think.
Hilton something.
Baltimore.
No, not the.
Baltimore BW1.
Here's our TV,
Daddy's phone number.
LG, and then a disc, and our stuff, luggages, laptop, the bags, and then not one but 2 mirrors. I like this one more. And here's our closet and our bathroom, which looks okay. This side looks good though, but the bathtub is kind of questionable.
But why?
Cause like, I don't know. I'm very used to shower rooms now instead of, well, the bathtub. I don't know why. Also comes with a painting, I guess, to put the face towels. Then our complimentary shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, and soap. Sink. I don't know what this is. I think. Oh, this is the soap tray. Makeup mirror. Just like back home. Oh, it even has a light. Nice. Does this also have a light here? Let me turn this on. Oh, okay. Since we didn't get to show the hotel back in LA in our last America vlog, at least I remember showing the room this time in our vlog. So now we're just going to unpack our things. Oh yeah, there's another painting. It's a lady and then flowers.
Daddy, we're at the hotel now.
So,
what are you doing?
Dad. Dad, say hi. Oh my gosh. Where's your shirt? So, yeah, see you later or tomorrow.
Okay, we're back at the hotel. It's actually like 10 something here now. We went to the, what's that called? To Jake's Naval Academy place where all the military students are. We're having a ball, a graduation ball. Our cousin didn't want to go because he just didn't want to. And apparently he was, what are you doing? You're not supposed to do one. Look at this kid. He grabbed it with just one. Hey, don't do that. You are going to break it. I'm gonna get out of here. I tried that a little bit. I can't flip this, so I'm going like this. I left my selfie stick upstairs, hence why it looks so close. I don't know why he's listening to that, just because. I'll show you the pool. Here's the pool. It changes colors because there's LED lights in the bottom, so it's like my hair color right now, and then it's gonna turn to purple, and then green, and then yeah. And this child's dancing for no reason.
Because Mr. Voga. I don't like how he's freaking says
he's just a meme on his own. So now we're gonna go back. Oh, the pool's green now. So we're gonna go back upstairs. Tita May is sleeping with us.
This way.
For today.
Because Tito-Gito's coming.
Yeah, Tito-Gito's not here yet, so she's just sleeping for us for a night. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to sleep at the Airbnb.
Yeah, just for one night, I believe.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna come back here on Friday.
I'm kind of too shy to vlog with my cousins because I was checking if there was someone in the elevator. But like I'm kind of too shy to vlog with my cousins because I don't really know what to say like when vlogging. So.
And it's not like with our cousins.
Yeah. Well, there are cousins. Like the cousins back home.
Yeah, back in California.
So yeah. So we're gonna go in our room. Bye. Starting to feel like it's something. Water bugs are back. It's actually just finishing up. I don't know what he's saying. Let's go. He said to leave at 8:02, but it's past 8:02. Oh, he's coming back. Look at us, ugly. He's coming. Ugly.
Alright, so we just left Baltimore.
We just got off the plane. Now we're in Toronto.
Again, forgot to mention Tita May was with us on the flight because obviously it's going to Toronto.
Tita May, by the way, if you don't know what that means, it means Auntie May.
And they're there right now, so we'll see you later.
Closer. So we're in Toronto Airport. We're near our gate going back home to Calgary. We're by A&W. I just had soup from Hearth Market Kitchen. It's called minestrone soup. It's like veggies and pasta, like those shells, the shell pasta. So we're gonna be going home. Like the flight is at like 9, around 9, I think. Yeah. Really tired, not like exhausted. But,
Excited
like,
to see our
tired.
birdies.
Yeah, miss the birdies. It's my hair
We'll
fading.
briefly show you the other stuff we got, not just from Target, but
yeah,
like the mall, the first mall we went to, and then Naval Academy.
Yeah, if I'm not tired, because usually if I'm tired, then I won't show. Because I always say, oh, I'm gonna show my stuff, but I don't show my stuff. The last time I showed my stuff was like the previous Edmonton vlog, but that was like only like 2 things.
And in 2020.
2020?
Yeah, from Uniqlo.
I did? Oh yeah, but like I didn't show everything from that. Stop it.
I'm going!
Where? I don't know why this boy likes old women. They're probably like in their 30s, mid-30s. Like, not that they're old, but like he likes moms.
Uh-oh! Someone has some daddy issues!
And they're not even, sorry to say, but like they're not attractive.
You know why I shouldn't have thrown out?
What?
The Pepsi mango bottle, so I can just dispose it at home.
You don't need to do that.
5 cents or 10 cents per bottle.
We already separated from Tita May.
Yeah, because she was like the last one to say goodbye to.
She lives here.
Yeah, we might, like we said, we might come here in July to August, but I don't know. That's like not sure, not for certain.
We're going to Pasadena, so
again. Well, not again, but
for more FitCon.
Yeah,
and hopefully it'll be good.
Nope.
It was a good experience, but like the paying and everything, like at least we know now.
Yeah, this time we're going only to certain ranges. I'm gonna meet all the Wild Force cast because it's 20 years of our favorite season, and I'm gonna buy this time souvenirs like toys, like the Morphers, the Megazords, and
I want to get
whatever.
clothes if they have good clothes. If they
Oh yeah,
don't,
sure.
then I'm not gonna get it.
And some artworks, because last time we saw some Godzilla stuff and whatever.
Let's see if Peter Sudar still remembers me. So we have to go to our gate. Talk to you at our gate.
I know it's too early, that we have to fret it slowly. These days have been a blessing, but it's early for confessing. And we don't have to rush it, let's take it easy, yes I got it. I get to know your secrets, to wait until your mystery. Cause girl, I feel this little thing is gonna grow. We have to take good care and keep it. Oh, maybe when spring comes, we call it love. So keep it in your arms until it's growing. We're gonna take this fan and keep it going. Maybe when spring comes,